Hey, what's up guys, we are back and this time we brought you the best home remedies for kids to fight cold and cough. Here we go. And before moving on to this video, we want to request you to subscribe our channel. Home remedies for kids to fight cold and cough. Number 1. Steam. After a good hot water bath, make your kid to inhale steam. Use kids vaporizer or simply take a bowl of hot water and cover the kids and the bowl with blanket. If he or she is too young, just make him to stand in bathroom for 10 minutes with hot water bucket. Number 2. Water. Make your kid drink lot of water, preferably lukewarm water. This will keep your kid hydrate and feel easy with cold. If he is also suffering from throat itching, add a spoon of honey into warm water and make him drink. Number 3. Wipe your kid's face with warm wet cloth to prevent nose itching. Number 4. Elevate the mattress. Adding a bit of lift to the mattress at the head of the bed helps sinuses drain more readily, thus adding to your child's comfort. A rolled towel or yoga mat will also do the trick. Number 5. Salt water gargling. Salt water gargling helps the kid with sour throat. Number 6. Garlic. Add garlic to hot soup or into his food. Its antibacterial properties help him recover fast. Number 7. Keeps kids home and well. Bed rest is vital to helping the body's immune system fight the flu. Please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.